Hello my beautiful wildflowers, how are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today I have for you my Birchbox, and another thing too, I did try to pick the winner for the 950 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway, and there is some kind of glitch, and I'm going to put in a little video, and this is like the 5th time I had tried it, and so I'm having a hard time picking a winner. So I may have to go to the old-fashioned, write everybody's name down, and then just kind of pick it out of a hat. But I'm going to need a little time doing that. But I do want to pick the winner, and just because of that, I'm going to add some couple of extra special things into the winnings, okay? So thank you guys for understanding. Anyway, I'll be right back. Welcome back my beautiful wildflowers. I am so sorry about that. What a way to start a video, but I'm going to be positive. It might be because they're upgrading something. I don't know. I just updated my computer and my Chrome. But in the meanwhile, I do want to open my Birchbox for you guys, and I am so sorry about that. I feel so bad. Now I'm going to have to write the names, which I don't mind, but I wanted to give you the winners now, and I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to do that. Okay, so but anyway, this is my February Birchbox, and as you guys know, this is the box that I have a hard time opening every month. And this is there's random prices for this box. I ended up paying $8 a month for this box, and they always have deals, so always look for it. Never pay full price on Birchbox because they do have deals, okay? And then what it is it's about 5 to 6 products that are always travel size, unless of course if it's like eye pencil, sometimes it's full size, but that's rare. And it's predominantly skincare, but it's not one of my favorite boxes, and since I got an $8 deal, I figure why not. Don't know if I'm going to renew. As you know, I've been really working on cutting down costs as much as possible and doing a little more imaginative and creative things. And so once you open it up, it always does come in a box within a box. And this is cute, and of course it has hearts. Why? It's February, and it was Valentine's Day a while ago, right? But I did just receive this the other day, so yeah. And let's see what's in here. And when you open it up, it looks like this, and it does give you what is in here. So it looks like I got 5 products along with a little February is for self-lovers. Yeah, there we go. And it says, take some time to show some love this month. And what is this? It's a little card with a UPC code. Participate in giveaways of hundreds of products. Oh, I guess it's just a giveaway thing here. And like I have time. I don't. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys been good. And I'm so sorry that it's been so crazy. And here it is. This is like what you get. And you get cute little things. But sometimes you get pretty good things. And it's brand names and brands that I typically know. It's not as good as the Macy's box, honestly, but it's okay. So the first product I see here is by Kiehl's. Gosh, I got so much things on my desk, sorry. And it's Dermatology Solutions Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Okay, and it looks like this. And let's see if I can read something about this. Let me see if I can hold it and not drift. And let's see. It is Powerful Strength Dark Reducing Vitamin C Eye Serum. And the full size would be $50. It's uniquely formulated for the eye and for dark circles. Puffiness helps, what? Circles and helps puffiness. Visibly smooth fine lines and crow's feet for fresh, brighter looking, and I'm drifting, eyes. So let me try to read it again, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so discombobulated today. Powerful Strength Dark Circle Reducing Vitamin C Eye Serum. And it's uniquely formulated for the eye area. This potent eye cream for dark circles and puffiness helps visibly smooth lines and crow's feet for fresher, brighter looking eyes. I skipped the whole line. So anyway, yeah, that seems pretty good. And Kiehl's is a pretty good brand. So, yep, that's that. And the next thing in the box, oh, this looks familiar. It is Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. And here it is, and I like masks, and I will try all kinds of masks. And what it says here is, let's see, restore radiance with this triple action chemical exfoliation packed with bioactive blend of fruit acids, including glycolic, lactic, and malic for maximum efficacy. Wow, that's a lot of acids in one, but yeah. I believe this company is a clean beauty, but anyway, there it is. And it doesn't say how much a full size of this stuff is. Yes, $29 for the full size, which is, yeah, it's not bad. Okay, the next one is by Arrow. Looks like I have a couple of Arrow product, and this is Radiant Skin Moisturizer Revive, and here it is. And let me tell you about that. Make sure I picked the right one because there's a couple of things by Arrow. Okay, and it is definitely clean. And it says Radiant Skin Moisturizer, lightweight moisturizer, has subtle sheen to eliminate your skin, and hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and soothe. Use in the morning alone or under the makeup. Huh, not bad. Yep, there you go. And you know I have my skin regimen, so I'm probably going to put most of this in giveaways anyway. So yeah. And the next one here is a lip oil. I know that because I've gotten this before, and I do like it, and it works really nice if you put it on like at night before you go to sleep. Let me make sure that's what that is. Okay, it is the Nourishing Lip Oil, Color Enhancing Pink. And this oil adds moisture to lips and locks it in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. Plus, it gives lip a subtle tint by reacting to the pH level of your skin. Oh, it's like one of those ones that's like just clear, and then you put it on, and it's supposed to like the pH of your lips will turn it the color they should be. That's that. Okay, and the last thing here is cream of some kind. And it is all in French. Hopefully it is written in English on the directions here. Oh, and the lip oil, I meant to say, is $16 full size. And it is exclusive to Birchbox. And the last thing I have is the Embryolisse Late Cream Concentrate 24-hour Miracle Cream. The full size is $28. A makeup artist's fave. This French-born cream heals dryness and preps skin for makeup. This multitasking must-have can be used as a moisturizer, primer, and a makeup remover. What? All that? Oh my gosh. That means it's going to have some kind of a very heavy cream or oil component to it, because if you're removing makeup, you would think it would, right? So yeah, and that's what was in all of my boxes. And you know, one thing I didn't do my motivation for the day. So let's do that right now. So what did you think about the box? I'm all over the place. This is what happens when I don't record a video forever. But I did actually record this look, and it is with the smoke and rose that I promised you. So that video is coming up maybe Friday. Yeah, I hope so. Anyway, so let's see what we have for motivation. And I just flicked on there because I had another one I had read for the other video already. So this is, let's see, do we have, golly, I don't know if it's, is it my eyes? And it's, okay, that's focused. All right. My security thing is like, somebody's at your front door. Okay, you may have had unfair things happen to you, but the depth of your pain is an indication of the height of your future. You may have had unfair things happen to you, but the depth of your pain is an indication of the height of your future. I don't know what that means. Do you? Ah, okay. It's by Joel Osteen. Don't know who that is. Wait, is that the, yeah, I think that is. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, declutter your mind, your heart, and your home. Let go of the heaviness that is weighing you down. Make your life simple but significant. Ooh, I like that one. That's better. It's by Maria DeFilo. Declutter your mind, your heart, your home. Let go of the heaviness that is weighing you down. Make your life simple but significant. You know what? That is so true. And you know, I'm pretty good at decluttering my mind and my heart, but not so much my home. It's like, I don't know where this thing comes from. It's all over the house. I'm like, oh my God, what is that? yeah, you know, things come in a box and then I put it down and I forget about it. I'm like, oh, I gotta clean this up. Like right now, I'm surrounded by a mess. So I do need to declutter my home because sometimes it's harder for me to declutter my mind when my surroundings is not. So if you see my office, I have a pretty roomy office and it barely has anything in there. I have a hanging calendar, a couple of pictures of my husband, and other than that, it's pretty pristine. And I know I was talking to one of my she used to be my administrative assistant years ago, and now she's climbed a ladder. And she reminded me, she says, oh, I can imagine what your office looks like, because my office has always looked so clean and tidy, and paper, and it's where it goes. If I don't need it, I put it in the shred bin. And so yeah, I need to do that with my home. Yeah, I don't know why it's so easy for me to do that at work, but I guess because I gotta stay organized. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and put a heart on there. Boop. And anyway, alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Sorry I did that backwards. It goes to show that I need to really practice, and I do want to go ahead and show you the video. I almost forgot the clip, and yeah, just take a look at it. It's disturbing for me. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, this is like my 5th try, and I don't know what's going on. I even turned on and off my computer, but I am trying to choose the winner for the 950 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway, and it keeps telling me there's an error in Contact Facebook, and I'm like, okay. So I did update my Chrome and see if it works, and I did enter the video URL right here. I filter for duplicate user as usual, and I did filter comments based on a specific text of milestone. So let's see if it works this time. Let's hold our breath. Again, something went wrong. We are sorry. And please refresh and try again. Are you sure you used the correct YouTube URL? And I am absolutely sure, because I can copy and paste this and it'll go to that video. Okay? And if this doesn't work, I'm going to have to manually write everybody's name and do that. And that's going to take me a little bit, guys. Let's see what if it takes me to that video. Okay, well, all right. I'm giving them a free, I guess, skip that ad. And let's see. It's like that. Okay, yeah, this is it, because I watched this video to see if I got the wrong word, and I don't. And I see all the comments here with the word milestone. So I don't understand why it's doing this. And so you guys, please forgive me. I'm going to have to write all of your names down, put it in a hat, and then pick a name. So, yeah. And I will be back with the winners, I guess. So, okay. I'll be back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. As you can see, I'm having challenges, and I checked my URL a couple of times, had my husband put eyeballs on it, and then I made sure that the word is there. I actually watched the video to make sure it was the right video, and no go. And like I said, 5 times, and I'm like, oh, I was getting so frustrated. So you guys, I do apologize, and I will go ahead and do it manually if I have to, or if I can find another way that I could enter your name somewhere and do it electronically so I can show you, I will do that as well, okay? So, but I will add a couple of goodies in there that, you know, otherwise wouldn't be in there, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you like this type of content or other type of content, because today was like kind of crazy, please consider subscribing. And there's a button up there, and that is a demo button or just a picture button, and the real one is below. So please hit subscribe, ring the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But just remember what does. In a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. take my own advice. Don't sweat the small stuff, but it's not really small stuff for me. I want to really give you guys your 950 Beautiful Wildflowers winner. And this is like so driving me crazy, guys. I do apologize, mea culpa a million times. And so, yeah, I'm going to have to try to figure out what's going on. And I'm going to have to like record while I'm trying. So I'm going to have a bunch of deleted videos and saying it didn't work. But hopefully be positive and that it will work and that it's just a YouTube glitch. And I've never seen anything like it. Have you? But anyway, yeah. And if I have to do it manually, no big deal. I will do that. So... okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys been doing well, and thank you so much for your support, and I truly do appreciate it. I am at 960, and I can't wait for the 1,000, just, you know, just because. I mean, nothing to do with monetization, because I don't have time for that. So anyway, and if it happens, it happens. It's okay, but that's not my goal. My goal is to provide you with good quality, fun videos, okay? And, yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you soon. I love you all. Mwah.